Cloud gaming has become popular, but most people get this wrong. They think it's slow or unreliable. The surprising truth is that Blacknut Cloud Gaming delivers a solid experience for casual and serious gamers alike, with hundreds of games available instantly without needing high-end hardware. Blacknut works on multiple devices, including PC, Mac, Android, iOS, and smart TVs. All the games run on the cloud, so you don't need a powerful computer or console. This opens up gaming to a wider audience and eliminates the need for frequent hardware upgrades. The platform offers a wide variety of games, from action and adventure to racing and puzzle games. You can play with a standard controller or touch controls on mobile devices. Blacknut also supports multiple profiles, so families can share a subscription while keeping progress separate. One of the main advantages is convenience. There's no installation or downloads beyond the initial app, and updates are handled server-side, meaning you are always playing the latest version. Game performance is smooth on stable internet connections, though, like all cloud gaming services, speed depends on your bandwidth and latency. There are some considerations. A strong, stable internet connection is required for optimal performance. Also, the game library, while diverse, may not include the newest AA releases. Subscriptions are monthly, so casual gamers should consider how often they'll play. In conclusion, Blacknut Cloud Gaming is a great option for families and casual gamers who want access to a wide variety of games without investing in expensive hardware. It's convenient, easy to use, and delivers solid performance for those with reliable internet. If this review helped you understand Blacknut Cloud Gaming, subscribe for more cloud gaming reviews and tips to get the best gaming experience online.